Start in the quadruped position, which is your knees below your hips. Blurry piece of shit. Start in the quadruped position with your knees below your hips and your hands below your shoulders. Make sure you've got a neutral spine position. Do not be too arched. Do not be too arched or too rounded. A neutral spine position. Keeping this position maintained and your hips level, raise one arm ahead of you and kick the opposite leg back. Repeat on the opposite side. Do not let your hips drop or rotate. Do not bend your elbow on the stationary arm.